Hey guys, this is Zombie Joe Knives, and today we're going to be making these cool little pendants from small rocks, wood, and resin. The rocks used in today's video were provided by Aura Amethyst on Instagram. She's going to be helping out with the build today, so go check her out. Now this is a trick I learned from Craig Lockwood on the Knife Talk podcast. If you leave your molds on the drill press and let it run, it helps get all the bubbles out. I'll also leave a link to the Knife Talk Instagram in the description below. I sanded the pendants up to 400 grit on my belt grinder. Here's how the pendants turned out. Now these could become more transparent with the use of a vacuum chamber, so once I build one of those, I may revisit this project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.